So in this video, we'll be talking about account terminations and solution. You already know that these are messages you get from them, so I'll be very slow and gentle when talking about this. So take your pen and write and get knowledge. This is it. Your account has been terminated. There are several reasons, but I'll mention 7 of my years of experience with Amazon. These are the reasons that do happen, and that is number 1. It's okay. These are the kind of message you might get during the quality assurance review of your catalog. We found that your book results in a disappointing customer experience. When you get this kind of message, that means your book has been removed, and the signal you will get is your book has been blocked. But that doesn't mean your account will be terminated. Sometimes Amazon will say, I don't like this book. That they accept the book during review does not mean they can't remove it after the book have gone live. So, but this does not mean your account will be terminated. So I'm going to delete this stuff. Then this one, we already know this is how the dashboard is when your account have been terminated. You can contact them or reply the mail. But what are the reasons? The first one is called book modeling. Yes, book modeling is very, very important. Let's go to Amazon. Let me tell you what it means to model after a book that can lead to book blocking. For example, this book called by Sabri Subi or Subi, Sell Like Crazy. This is a very powerful book. This book belongs to a guy who has done so well. Now, because you want to model after this, because this book have 3.64 rating, that means with a 4.7 star rating, with 3.6 people, 1,000 people, that's 3,000 plus people have given rating to this book. Now you wake up in the morning, the next thing you have to do, you say you want to model after this book because it's selling. You now go and title your own Sell Like Mad. Amazon is going to mad your account. There is no two way about it. Sorry, I'm laughing. So, or you will say Sell Like Crazy. You go and change your subtitle. How to get many clients. Your own will now be how to sell to many clients and make them beg for more or make them pay for your service. This is infringing on someone. Don't infringe. Infringement is so bad on Amazon. You can see it down here. You can see the next book by Grant Cardone. This man is a big man in the internet space. Sell or be sold. Now you can see the color books are red, white and black like this guy, bold. And this is doing well as well, but it's an audio book. Then there is someone who tried. This guy is Chika Njoku. I believe this guy should be from the southeastern part of Nigeria. How to sell like crazy on Facebook Marketplace. Now this is a modeling, but it's good. But over here you can see it's not just sell like crazy, but how to sell like crazy is a keyword. On Facebook Marketplace 2022 edition, a guide for beginner. If you scroll down, you might not find anything like this. How to sell like crazy, this same person. Then how to sell like crazy on Facebook. Look, as this one is making this stuff. He just made this book. This one is modeling, though the book cover is so bad. But Amazon can terminate your account for this reason. Now you can see we have terminated your account because you submitted offensive content. So this content can be tagged as offensive content. Some of you will go and make a book that is age of 18. You will put some nude picture on it, and Amazon will just flag your account, and the account is gone because they have their rules and their regulations. So if you are modeling after a book, ensure you are very, very different from them. Use a different cover. Look at this trick this guy used here. He used how to, and this book is just called Sell Like Crazy, and how to sell on Facebook is a different thing entirely. Ensure your book is different. Model with wisdom. That's the first one I think can lead to what? Can trigger account termination. Then number 2 is called Trademark Title. But before that, what is an offensive content? I'm going to just bring this out here from Google. It said offensive content. Let me get my screen forward. Offensive content on Amazon KDP refers to material that violates Amazon content guideline and is deemed inappropriate, harmful, or illegal. Example: hate speech, content promoting violence or exploitation, and material that are sexually explicit or promote harmful behavior. Sometimes when we talk about exploitation, for example, you can start teaching people Ponzi scheme with your book, or how to make money illegally in your book, and your account will be terminated. So be careful as you model, you don't put offensive word content. Now the next one is what? Trademark title. I'm going to go straight to Amazon and show you one trademark. Sell kids book for dummies. This is most time we always find book like this. Kid book for dummies, and you don't know, you don't use the word dummies because it's trademarked. If you try to use this word dummies, your account will be terminated because you are infringing on trademarked word and it's not good. How do you know something is trademarked? I always say use this site called Trademarkia. So we're going to go straight to trademarkia.com. We're going to spell it Trademarkia, or just write Trademarkia. Then you see the best site for it. You can see from here. File, trademark search, all this stuff. So we're going to be using the site. Then how do you know if something is really copyrighted, trademarked? Okay, we're going to, let me just accept this. Let me come here and say kids book for dummies. Then we're going to hit on search and see if it's going to break this thing into different category, this keyword. So now what we're looking for is for dummies that fall on class 16. You can see immediately use the word for dummies. Is it dummies? Your account is gone. She's telling you any book on class 16. How do you know? You can filter your book. You can filter your book. I think we can scroll down here. You can filter your book. Okay, I'm trying to filter this stuff, but I'm not getting something. Filter. Okay. I want to say all that are pending, registered, and that belong to class 16, because my main concentration is on book on 16. So you're going to scroll down here. If you're doing on smartphone, put your phone on desktop site, or you can just find a way, or 16, not 6. So I'm going to filter it properly. I'm going to filter that because I don't want to start searching all over this place looking for class of 16. So I want to get uncheck this class of 1, then click on filter again, scroll down to that place. Okay, filter again. Try. It's better you know this instead of just jumping around finding what is not working or what is wrong or right. So I'm looking for 16 here. So we're going to see 16 in no time. If you've seen it, you can call my attention. All right, I think I've passed that 16. It should be class 6. I've seen 33. I've seen 29. I've seen 14. I've seen 45. Okay, 16. This is it. Okay, now you can see the word for dummies. You don't use it, your account will be terminated because John, Willie and Sons have trademarked this name. So put your title here and see how it's broken down and avoid all this kind of stuff, and you know you are good. Now you can see for dummies, just leave this word and go your way. That is how to check it. I believe that's excellent. You want to first of all share this video to your friend, because I always say it, share this video to your friend. Very much needed. Okay, so the third one is copyright content. Now look at what this one said. During our review, we noticed that your book contained interior or cover content that another author has used. So you need to confirm their publishing right before the book is listed on Amazon. If you don't do this, Amazon gives you 5 days to do this, else they will terminate your account. Sometimes this can lead to account termination. So as you're copying interior, you're using interior from Canva, ensure you make changes to the images, ensure you paraphrase with ChatGPT or Quillbot. Yes, copyright, it's a great offense on Amazon. As you're going straight to Amazon, right clicking on some stuff like this, and you're trying to click copy image and you go and use it like that, Amazon don't like it. So be careful about this. I think I've explained the third one. Copyright content, it's against Amazon. Excellent. So we're going to we've talked about the first, the second, the third. Now over to the fourth one. Wrong account setup can destroy, can cause account termination. What is a wrong account setup? Let's say, for example, here now, this is your account. Ensure your name in this your account is accurate, your payment method is accurate, and every other stuff it's accurate. I won't start teaching you how to start setting up your account. I believe with a link on my YouTube channel, you can reach out to me so that we can talk about if your account is ready and is well set up. But I think the rule of thumb at this place is to contact Amazon. Yes, in this channel I think there's a place called how to contact Amazon. Let me just search that. How to contact. Let's just use this keyword and see if we get anything related. How to contact Amazon. From here, follow the link from this video. Contact Amazon and ask them this question. Is my account valid? Because sometimes they do terminate account like this. They will tell you your attempt to provide inaccurate, incomplete, or invalid. These are the questions. These are most time they always send this kind of message that they have terminated your account because you try to provide inaccurate, incomplete, invalid. What they're going to do is contact Amazon, immediately set up your account and ask them, please, I want you to tell me if my account is really accurate, hope it's complete and valid, because Amazon always complain of this. And when they tell you it's right, just screenshot that and keep so that you can hold it as an evidence against them in the future. But I don't pray any termination comes, but we all know Amazon can be very funny. So ensure your account is rightly set up, the address in your account are accurate, they are valid, because Amazon is putting a lot of energy into the artificial intelligence to make sure they get any account that is going against their rules. Then this next one here, it's very important. It's called using information. From here I'm going to bring this out. You see, I have something down here. We have terminated your KDP account because you have multiple accounts. Sometimes we get all this message from Amazon. We have multiple account, which is a violation of our terms and condition. How do you what causes multiple account? Number one is if you use account. Yes, let me say. Number one is using payment method that have been used before. Like Nigerians, we use Gray, we use Clever. Your account have been terminated and you still repeat that same on your new account or any account. Amazon is going to flag you and they're going to terminate your account because they don't want you to have two accounts in your name. You get. Then the next one is re-verifying with the same ID card. Amazon is really angry towards that, trying to re-verify. Amazon always tell us that they will delete our stuff, like our ID, when we are done verification, but I think they are storing it somewhere, and 1 or 2 days before the month, in 30 days, they do run a check on every new account to see if there's any face match or ID match, and they will send those accounts to early grave. So this is very important. Don't use the same payment method. Your name can be the same, but that your payment method and that ID card, ensure they are not the same. You can look for someone details and use. Then I think the number 5 here, or number 4, okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the sixth and the final is device and browser. Some people have asked this question: does Amazon track me when I'm online? I'm going to give you a scenario. I've talked about this. For example, Mr. A is using iPhone, and Mr. B is using iPhone and has KDP account. This is going to illustrate it very well. Then one day Mr. B collected this iPhone and logged his account into this iPhone, this one iPhone. Do you mean Amazon will come for that account? That is the big question. Amazon does not say don't use your device, one device, to log in multiple accounts. Amazon does not say that. Amazon does not track anyone. So Amazon does not say, if it's Amazon is saying that, they will tell you, hey, we don't permit logins. But Amazon did not say that in any rules. But it's because of this word called fear. That is why you see some people say they want to buy a new SIM card, which is service internet provider, right? Okay. Or better still, subscriber identification module. That's what I want to say. Yes, that is, you want to change what used to provide data for service for you. No. Some people say they want to bring new hotspot. I've seen some kind of words like this. No. Some will say, should I buy a new device? Amazon does not have time to start keeping, or no. You can log in your device to any you can log in your account to any device. You can live chat Amazon and ask them this question, and they will give you clarification about this. What I advise is, if you are to log into a KDP account, you can decide to try browsers, different browser. That is why you see the word browser as the second alternative. You can download many browser. We have MySys browser for Android users. We have DuckDuckGo. We have Brave. We have Yandex. We have Kiwi is no longer available. You can leave that. There are many browsers that I can't just mention here. You can search and use them. There are a lot of one with VPN and all stuff. You can as well go with them if you think you are scared. But I've told you time without number. So just a recap. This is my YouTube channel where we talk a lot of things here. You can see we've made over 204 videos on this channel talking about Amazon KDP. My own is to just help you and ensure you're doing well. Okay, so when we clear this off, we're going to see a lot of things on this place. So the video channel has a lot of things, and my advice to you is Amazon KDP pays a lot. It pays a lot, and we have a very beautiful community of 1,000 plus people all learning from on Amazon. We talk a lot of things on this channel. If you think you want to be part of it, excellent, but ensure you subscribe, you share to your friend before coming to my DM with a link on my channel from here, so you can chat me up with this and you'll be added immediately. Now, how do you now recover your account? That is the solution to which is the final part of this video. Appeal 3 to 4 times and follow Amazon rules. Yes, when you appeal, first of all, their AI bot their chatbot will give you an answer. Yes, because you just drop the answer and say we can't do anything. Tell them, no, my account is this, please give me another give me another grace, and they will say okay. They'll say no, 3rd time, 4th time, 5th time, and if they tell you we refer you back to the decision we made so date, then it has escalated. The next thing you want to do is to create a new KDP account and start all over by, I will tell you what to do about your books that were terminated. You can chat me up on that. Then but if they tell you okay, we are going to get back to you in 3 to 5 days, there is hope. But whatever it is Amazon KDP. We'll learn from our mistake and never repeat them again. So I believe you learned a lot of things from this video, and which one was the reason to terminate your account and which one will you avoid. I believe this is an eye-opener for everyone. You get it? All right, this is an eye-opener for everyone, so please take your lesson. Amazon pays. So I hope you watch the next video I'll be making, and I want you to subscribe, share to your friend, and I wish you the best. See you on the inside.